Hello, Felix. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Hi, can you hear
Sombrero.
me? Hi, there you are.
Oh,
Wow.
yun lang.
Can you hear me well? Can you hear me well? Very good. Okay, so where are you right now, Felix?
Cô đang hỏi con đang ở đâu kìa, con đang hỏi con kia nè, con nói sao? Em in coffee shop.
All right. Wow. Okay, what are your plans for today? Do you have any other plans for today?
Mẹ ngồi với con ơi. Hỏi tí.
I
Ngồi
mean,
với tôi
do
đi.
you have other plans? Do you
Bắt
want
tôi.
to
Ừ.
go to the park with your mom? Do you plan to buy more toys? Do you plan to go to the library? Do you plan to shop more or what? Yeah. Okay, anyway, how's the weather in that place?
Is cloudy.
Cloudy. Wow, that's perfect. Not hot, not cold, just cloudy. Is it about to rain? Yes or no?
No.
No, perfect. If you could remember last yesterday, okay, we played some games about dressing up. So people dress up according to the weather. So you said that today is cloudy there. So can you tell me what are you wearing today, Felix?
I'm wearing a blue t-shirt and gray shorts.
That's wonderful. What about your mom? What is she wearing on a cloudy day?
Is wearing a orange sock and black trouser.
Perfect. All right. Now, for today, we are still about clothes, but it's just another activity. Okay. So here, there are three examples. You are going to complete the sentences by describing the color and what kind of cloth is it? Number one, a green coat. Second, a purple sweater. Third, a blue scarf. Now, what about number four, Felix? It's your turn. You can do it. Nice. A pair of yellow socks.
Cho mày không? Đây cho mày con sao?
A pair of black trousers. Let's see. Da-da-da-ding. Oh, that is gray. How about number six?
Lấy
A pair of, there you go. Perfect. Black shoes. Seven.
tiền 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 tiền
That's wonderful. An orange t-shirt. Three more to go. Eight.
nó mà cứ sao nó
A pair of orange glasses. Is that your final answer? Let's see. Da-da-da-ding. That is brown. Okay. What about number nine?
tiền
A red jacket. Very good. And Last one. What color is the swimsuit?
Bing, bing, bing.
Wow. Okay, a pink swimsuit. Very good. So for this
Alright.
one, you got 8 out of 10. That is okay because this one is gray and the eyeglasses is brown. Okay, but of course, you got 8 stars for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Okay, now are you ready to proceed with Unit 2, Felix? Are you ready?
Yes. Every.
Good. Okay. Oh, by the way, it's not yet Unit 2. This is Unit 1.2. Unit 1, Lesson 2. Okay. So here, let's learn the grammar present continuous. Okay, listen carefully. We use present continuous to describe an action that is happening at the moment and it is about to continue. Just like you and me. What are we doing? We are learning. It is happening at the moment and it continues at the present time. Okay. And most of the present continuous verb ends in ing. Okay, just like this one. We are learning. Okay, what is the verb here? The verb is learn. Okay, to make it a present continuous tense, we add ing. All right? Okay, so look at this one. We have here I. Okay, so here I, you, we, they, he, or it, we call this one noun. What do we call those? Oh, pronoun. We call them pronoun. Okay, so if the pronoun is I, what is the linking verb? We use am. I am learning, like that. Okay, if the pronouns are you, we, and they, what is the linking verb?
Um.
Very good. We use are, just like you are learning, we are learning, they are playing, like that. Then, if the pronoun is he, or it, what do you think is the linking verb?
Ice.
Very good. Okay, we have is. So this is very easy. Okay, to make it a present continuous tense, our verb ends in ing. Then if the verb ends in ing, we call that one gerund. Okay, what are example of gerund? We have dancing, playing. Can you give me more gerund verbs? Walking. What else? Swimming. I
Roller
can't hear.
skating.
Say that again.
Roller skate.
That's right, roller skating. So those are all gerunds. Okay, now let's look at the example here. Okay, now look at this boy. What is he doing?
Is.
He is, what's that?
Brush teeth.
All right, you are correct. You said he is brushed his teeth. Okay. Now, in this sentence, what is the pronoun? What is the pronoun? We have here he. It's the noun or pronoun he. Now, what is the linking verb? Okay, so let's look at this one. We have here pronoun. Now, how about the linking verb? I have here, okay, am, are, or is. That's what we call linking verb. Okay, now, then verb that ends in ing, that is what we call gerund. Okay, by looking at the structure, Felix, okay, especially our sentence, he is brush his teeth. Okay, what is the pronoun? What's the pronoun? Hmm.
Dụ anh ấy đang đọc sách, anh ấy đang đọc truyện đi.
Okay, he, very good. So he is the pronoun. Nice. Now, what is the linking verb? He is brushed his teeth. What's the linking verb? Is. Okay, is the linking verb. Now, what is the verb? By the way, teacher, what is a verb? A verb is an action word. Okay, the words that can be done when we act upon it. Okay, just like sing, dance, playing. Okay, what else? Running, walking. So those are action words. Now, what about this sentence? He is brush his teeth. What is the action word?
Brushing.
Yes, what's the action word? We have brush. Brush is the verb or what we call action word. So again, since this is a present continuous, what do we add to the verb? We add,
In.
okay, we add ing. So what happened to brush? Ing, it becomes brushing. Now what is the sentence? What's the new sentence, Felix? Okay, look at the boy. What's he doing?
Brush.
Very good. He is brushing his teeth. All right. Now, what about this one? Let's try again. Okay, look and answer. What is Mike doing here?
Please. Have a shower.
Very good. Mike is having a shower. Nice. Okay, look at the sentence. Mike is having a shower. What is the noun? Or who are we talking about in the sentence?
Tiếp chị.
Who is the noun? Who are we talking about? We're talking about Mike. So Mike is the noun. Okay, what is the linking verb? The linking verb is is. Now, what is the verb? We have having. All right. Now, look at this one. When we say noun, okay, this is the person that we are talking about in the sentence. Okay? Now, again, who are we talking about in this sentence? We're talking about, look, Felix, who are we talking about in the sentence? There you go, Mike. All right. Then when we say linking verb, this is a word that connects the noun and the verb. So look, Mike is the noun, having is the verb or what we call gerund. Linking verb is between Mike and having. The linking verb connects the noun and the main verb. All right? Okay, now let's try again. What's she doing? Look at Kate. What is Kate doing?
Is cooking.
All right, Kate is cooking. Now, your turn. What is the noun here? What's the noun? Can you circle the noun? The noun is the person. What is the noun? Kate is cooking. Who is that cooking? Kate, very good. Okay, now, what is the verb or the gerund? Can you circle the verb? The action word. All right. Now look, is what we call linking verb. Now how about the verb or what we call gerund? The action word. What's the action word? Can you circle? We have cooking. So cooking is the main verb or what we call gerund. Okay, so give me a high five, Felix, because you are learning it. Nice. So I'm going to give you 2 stars for that one. Now we need more practice. All right, look, what's the sentence here? Or what's Rose doing?
Bro, watching TV.
Very good. Okay, what is the gerund in this sentence? Can you circle the gerund? Rose is watching TV. What is the action word? Is it Rose? Is it watching? Or is it TV?
TV.
TV? Okay, now look at Rose. Rose is watching TV. So TV is an object. Now, what is the action word? Action word. The word that tells us what is Rose doing. What's that? We have watching. Very good. So what do we call watching? Watching is what is watching? Is it a noun, a linking verb, or a verb? Very good. Can you tell me what is a verb? A verb is an what is a verb? It is an action word. All right. Now, let's look at this one. So, those are all examples of positive sentences of present continuous. Now, what about if you can see this sign? Look at this sign. This is what we call negative or minus. So that means if you can see this one, then we are using not in a sentence. Okay? So look at this one. Again, what do we call all of these? These are pronouns. Okay, if the pronoun is I, then we have here I'm not. So look, we have negative sentence. We just added not. Now your turn. If the pronouns are you, we, or they, now what is the linking verb? We have
Not.
are not. Very good. Or aren't. Now, what about if the pronouns are he, or it? What's the linking verb? There you are. Okay, give me a high five again. Very good. High five. Nice. Now, look at this boy. Okay, let's make a sentence using negative. Okay, before our sentence was he is brushing. Look, he is brushing his teeth. Okay, now this sentence is what we call a positive sentence or affirmative sentence. But we to so that you can easily remember it, this is a positive sentence that has the symbol of plus, like that. Now, we are talking about negative. So there is not in the sentence. So what is the sentence now? What is the sentence? He,
Is brushing his teeth.
very good. I want you to look at this sentence, Felix. Is this positive or negative? Is this a positive sentence or a negative sentence? He isn't brushing his teeth. Positive or negative? This is negative. Now, why is it negative? Because of isn't.
Vậy đúng chứ trước sau gì đâu.
There is not in the sentence. Okay, now, how about the original sentence? Positive or negative?
Em mai con. Trên bên ngoài.
Về học bài chiều đi học nhỏ nghe. Hôm bước qua nó
Look,
chỉ rồi đó.
is this positive or negative? What do you think?
Đứng lên.
Không hiểu cô nói không? Negative.
This is now positive because there is no not. Again, okay, look, if the sentence is negative, what can we see? We can see the word not.
Đây nè.
If the sentence is positive, no, not. All right? Okay, now let me give you an example. So our new sentence is Felix is learning. Is that positive or negative sentence? Felix is learning. Positive or negative? Look at the sentence, Felix. Is this positive or negative sentence? Felix is learning. This is positive. Okay. Now, let's make this a negative sentence. Can you tell me the negative sentence of it, Felix? To make it a negative, what do we add? Felix is not learning. Okay. Now look,
Đang ngủ đâu?
why is it negative? Because why is this a negative sentence? Because of the word not. Is that clear? Very good. Now, are you ready to practice? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now, make a sentence by looking at the picture. Okay, so look, we have here, look at Dylan. Okay, so what sentence can we make out of it? We can say, Dylan is not playing a computer game. So look, this sentence is a negative one because of the word is not. There is not in here. Now again, what is the noun? Who are we talking about in this sentence? Who are we talking about? We're talking about Dylan. Okay, now what is the action word or the verb?
Con ly cà phê.
What's the verb? The verb is playing. Okay, now let's give it another try. What sentence can you make out of it? We have I. Meet my friends. But this is a negative sentence. So what's your sentence?
I meeting my friends.
All right, that is a positive. Okay, how can you make this a negative? I'm meeting my friends. What is the negative sentence of it? So when we say negative, what do we add? We add not. So the sentence is what's can you read?
I'm not meeting my friends.
Very good. Okay. So when we say negative again, we just add not.
Bạn có dấu
All
viên.
right? Okay. So today we learned about
Em nói gì?
present continuous, positive, and negative sentence. Okay, I hope that you learned something today, Felix. Have a great day, and you've got 10 stars in total. Okay, so bye bye, Felix. See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.